What you learn in an MBA matters a lot in today's business world because today's business world is very complex.
Everything is changing very, very quickly. So it's the big challenge going forward.
The MBA program is a way to really put a focus on that, to think about what skills and strengths you might have that you can bring to the table and how that fits in with what we know about theory.
One of the benefits of doing an MBA is that it teaches you big picture thinking. It's presenting them with the tools and techniques that they need to analyze the business environment. But more importantly, perhaps, it's about teaching them new ways in which they can interpret that information and apply it in the business world.
But it's not just learning about theory.
It's all about the people skills you pick up during that process.
We need to interact with others who have different perspectives for our own.
Students are working together in syndicate groups, so they are coming from all around the world. So very different ways of seeing the world, very different experiences that they're bringing. And the hope is that they can take that experience to perform really well, not only during their MBA, but also back into the workplace.